in relation to all the work that's done on the front end to get the best insurance rate, the best deal, what happens on the back end when you actually need to access the funding? How hard or how easy is it to access the funding when you need it?
A great question. Claims are paid out from the premiums that are collected, and insurance companies are strictly regulated when it comes to this area, and they are required to maintain a certain percentage of all premiums that are paid in a reserve. And whenever there is a claim, the claim comes out from the reserve. Because of this reserve, funds are easily and readily accessible when they are required.